This video will show how to use the RDworks software. The first step to import the PMG image. For example, we will choose a stars picture. This image is processed. We choose the image, and we will change the size. The size will be, for example, 70 millimeters. We choose the layer parameter. For example, we will adjust the speed to make it 300 millimeters, and the professional mode is scan. And the interval is 0.03. And we press OK. And then we download the file. There's a community port setting, USB auto, port setting, choose web, OK, exit. Then we will download the file. File download success. Then we can start the processing progress. We press exit and press the menu into autofocus. After autofocus, then the laser head will automatically find the focus point. And then in this place, we will start the processing in this place. Then we press the origin button. And then we press the frame button. Then we will press start button. Then the processing started. There is smoke, so we will open the air pump, air fan.
你说这个速度可能需要改，这速度很慢是吧？那你可以比我深上吗？这比我深的话，你这个能比我浅是吧？那个比我深可以。可以让它改速度，这个速度可以快点。
Now the speed is slow for this image engraving. So in order to get this effect, we have to adjust the speed. 从哪改速度？
可以暂停改。
Then we can adjust the speed. I will show you how to. Then we press the pause button, and then press the speed, and then press left button, left arrow, and up arrow to adjust the speed. 那我们现在改一下这个速度，改成500了是吧？500。这改快了是吗？
稍微快点。
The former speed is 300 millimeters per second. Now the present speed is adjusted into 500 millimeters per second.
这你不用读了。
The final sample, the engraving sample is like this one. Like this one. This is the final product. The stars picture. This picture is shown on the software. Finish.